Why is saving so hard? Let's find out together. What the dust? Candy wrappers? I thought I had savings in here. All right, step 1, save $500. Step 2, don't panic. Step 3, buy less bubble tea.
Time to save like a boss.
Salary just landed. Baby, I'm gonna save like a responsible grown-up. Wait, is that a buy one get 3 feet sale? Maybe just a peek. Or 12. I swear, it was just socks and snacks and sneakers and why is this receipt so long? Look at me, Mr. Saver Extraordinaire. Dinner, instant noodles, again. That's it, no more excuses. New rule, save first, spend later. Auto transfer, every Friday.
Transfer complete.
Oh yeah, that's how you lock in a win. To be broke is hard. Saving is hard. Choose your hard.